Hey guys, how are you? I hope everyone will be fine. Today, this lecture, I will tell you how you can generate a title and a script for your YouTube video. So first of all, you have to create a Chat GPT account. I hope everyone know about Chat GPT. Chat GPT is a AI tool. So with the help of Chat GPT, you can easily generate your video title and video script. So also you can use this tool for video tags and description and everything that I will tell you in the next video. So let's start the video. I will tell you first how you can generate a title and then a script. So I will give you two commands for the ChatGPT that is already available in your description of this video. So you have to copy this command and enter the here in ChatGPT. So first command is that for generating a title. So I focus on health video. So I will generate a title regarding the health topic. So first of all, I will paste a script command that is act as YouTube title generator. I will give you a topic. You will generate a 5 eye-catchy title. If you understand, reply yes. So you have to paste this command in the Chat GPT, and after that, after pasting the command, you have to press an enter button. When you press Chat GPT, give me a reply, yes, I understand. Give me a video topic. So I give you a health related video topic that is weight loss. You know weight loss is a already searchable topic. Many people searching on this topic. So you have to give a weight loss. So when I write weight loss, they will generate a 5 weight loss related 5 title. So our title is ready. That is 5 title that is given by ChatGPT. Then you have to choose one title that is best you think. So first title is 10 rapid weight loss hacks that actually works. That is a eye-catchy title. The ultimate guide to shedding pounds, proven weight loss strategies, transform your body 30-day weight loss challenge. So I think the first title is our best title. You have to copy this title and you have open a text file. So I have a text file and then I paste our title in text file. 10 rapid weight loss hacks that actually work. Now you have to copy the another command for ChatGPT. With this command you will generate a script. So paste the command and press enter. In this command, I will tell you ChatGPT that I will give you a video title. You will generate a complete script for me. So when I give him title that I now make with the help of ChatGPT, that is 10 rapid weight loss hacks that actually work. So I copy this title and paste to ChatGPT. When I paste with the in the command ChatGPT will generate a complete script for the video. So you have to wait for the ChatGPT create a complete script for your video. After completing the script, you have to copy all the script in your text documents. You can also create a Word file and also a simple .txt files for this script. When ChatGPT complete the script, so ChatGPT stops. So I press continue generating. So ChatGPT will continue generating next word. So our video script is now ready. So what you do now, you have to copy all the script control and paste in the .txt file. When you paste in the .txt file, you have to come back and you have to delete the extra text. So segment and this. So first step is set the stake, and second is so first segment is hack one. Hack one is that mindful eating. So and the second hack is hydration. So like this, you have to edit all the script. So I will edit all the script and I will back. Now your script is 100% ready. I will delete all the extra text that is in the script.